how to pause your subscription on Rosetta Stone. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can pause your subscription on Rosetta Stone. So, is it possible to pause your subscription on Rosetta Stone? The answer is no. You cannot pause your subscription on Rosetta Stone since Rosetta Stone does not offer a direct way to pause subscription. However, you can cancel your subscription and restart it later if needed. And how do you cancel your subscription? There are two ways. The first way is through the application, and the second way is through your Play Store or your App Store where you got the application from. Through your account, once you're logged in into your account and you're already on a subscription plan, the next step is for you to move to the top right corner where you can see your avatar icon. For me, there is no avatar icon because I'm still on the free version of Rosetta Stone. So once you see your avatar icon, click on it and then select my account from the drop down menu. And then on your account page, you'll see the option, your product. All right, click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see a drop down menu again and a list of options. Amongst the options displayed, ensure you select turn off auto renewal. Just listen, turn off auto renewal, then follow the prompt and your subscription will be cancelled automatically. Now, the second method, which is through your Play Store, all you need to do is to head over to your Play Store, and once you're on your Play Store's page, move to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon, click on it, and you see a list of options like manage apps and device, notifications and offers, payments, and subscriptions. So click on that, then select subscriptions, which is located under payment methods. So on subscriptions, you will see your Rosetta Stone subscription here as well. So if you want to cancel, just click on it. All right, and then you'll be brought to the manage subscription page. And then by the bottom part of the screen, you see the option cancel subscription. All right, cancel subscription. Just click on that. And then once you click on cancel subscription, you will be asked why you want to cancel the subscription and all of that. Choose the reason that appeals to you. Click OK, and then click on confirm cancellation, and then your subscription will be cancelled. And then when you are ready to resume, you can simply reactivate it by coming back to your Play Store, click on your profile, and then click on subscription again, and you see the application there as well. So you can reactivate your subscription by turning the auto renewal on, either on your Play Store or on your application. So that is it. This is how you can cancel or pause your subscription on Rosetta Stone. Thank you and have a good day.